Hello, in this video we're going to be adding and subtracting integers and decimals. So the objective here is to add and subtract integers and decimals using the column method. So here's an example. So we have 384 plus 257. So I'm going to write out 384 and 257 and make sure they're all lined up. So I have to start from right to left. So 4 plus 0, that's 4. 8 plus 5, that's 13, remainder 1, so I put the 1 up here. And then 3 plus 2, that's 5, but then I add the 1 to get 6. So the answer to this one is 634. This next one, I have 4.7 plus 2.56. So if I write 4.7 and then 2.86 underneath it, I'm going to fill a placeholder here with a 0. So now I'm going to add them. So I'm going to do 0 plus 6, so that's 6. 7 plus 8, which is 15, remainder 1, decimal place goes here. And then 4 plus 2, that's 6, plus the 1 makes 7. So that is going to be 7.56. This last one I'm subtracting, so I have 502 take away 378. So again, if I start from right to left, I'm going to do 2 take away 8, but I can't do that. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 0, but I don't have any at 0. So I need to borrow 1 from the 5 to make that a 4. That 1 goes onto the 0 to make a 10, but then I need to borrow 1 from the 10 to make a 9, and then that 1 goes onto the 2. So I now have 12 take away 8, which is 4, 9 take away 7, which is 2, and 4 take away 3, which is 1. So the answer to this one is 124. Here's another example. So this time I'm subtracting and adding decimals. So this time I have 6.2 take away 3.85. So I'm going to fill this with a placeholder of 0 and subtract. So 0 take away 5 I can't do, so I borrow 1 from the 2 to make that a 1, and then the 1 goes there. 10 take away 5 becomes 5. 1 take away 8 I can't do, so I need to borrow 1 from the 6 to make it a 5, and then that becomes an 11. 11 take away 8, that's 3. And then 5 take away 3, that's 2. So the answer to this one is 2.35. This last one, I have 7.408 plus 2.96, so I'm going to fill that with a 0 and put a plus. So 8 plus 0, that's 8. 0 plus 6, that's 6. 4 plus 9, that's 13, remainder 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, but plus the 1 makes a 10, and the decimal place lines up here. So the answer to this one is 10.368. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!